So what's the difference between pain and suffering? Anybody has Lego in the house? When we walk in the middle of the night, the baby cried, and we're barefoot and we stepped on the Lego. Anybody understand that pain? That's pain. That is pain. It's a sensation in our body, something physical. We don't choose it. We feel it. It's automatic, right? That's pain. Suffering is I'm standing there in the middle of my living room on that piece of Lego and we say, why does it always happen to me? That's suffering. It's the meaning that I'm attaching to that experience. Suffering is not physical. Suffering is the way I'm interpreting my pain. So joy has got nothing to do with pleasure. Pleasure is something sensational. That's why you can have people that go through pain but still can find joy in it. Marathon runners are in extreme pain, but they are very joyful. Their state of mind is elated.